Let's now explore some final options like empty view and replace view. Well, I'll start with empty view. Now consider a situation where we don't want to, add this angle of projection symbol anywhere in the title block. Rather, we want more room for revision, and we can then add this third angle projection symbol somewhere else in the drawing. Now, if you want to do that, you can, simply use empty view. So using empty view, you can add annotations, drawings, blocks, and other things in your drawing sheet. And by doing so, you won't be affecting your main part file. Well, let me show you how it works. So I'll simply right click here and I'll select edit sheet format. And the first thing I'm going to do is this. I'll delete this angle of projection because we don't want it here. So I'll just delete it. Also, maybe I'll just go to sketch, trim entities, and I'll make room for revision because now we have more room. So I'll double click this text and make it larger. So the font size, we can just make it 28 and I'll just move it as well. All right. So now this takes up this entire room and it kind of looks good. So I'll just exit out of this. And now let's add that third angle of projection symbol somewhere here. To do that, I'll go to drawing and I'll select empty view. And I'm going to add it right about here. Now, when you do that, SolidWorks will give you some options like you can select the scale of this view. Currently, it is set to sheet scale, which is 1:2. So the scale is 1:2. You can also select a custom scale from this list. I'll select sheet scale. You can select the dimension type, projected or true, and you can also select the cosmetic thread display. So if you are adding features here where threads are displayed, then you can select the type of thread display. I'll select draft. With that, click OK. Now right inside this, I'll add the block. And to do that, you need to first select the view. So as it is not yet selected, I'll simply click the boundary just to make it active. And now I'll go to annotation, blocks, insert block. Now locate the block. If you don't have it, simply go to browse and locate it wherever it is. So right now it is available in folder number 3.7. So I'll just go to that folder 3.7 and right here we have the SolidWorks block. So I'll just select it and I'll just make sure it is active. And with that, we'll just add it. But as you can see, the scale is quite tiny. So I'll just make it 3 times as big. And now I'll just click here and click OK and done. Now it looks like we accidentally added 2 of these blocks. So I'll just select it and delete it. Now we just have 1. Okay, so if I move the view, the block will move with it. Now let's add text as well. So I'll go to note and right underneath this, I'll add a note. So that's third angle projection. All right, so that's the text. Click outside and it is also now associated with this view. So if I move the view, both the things will move. Not only that, if I add a sketch, the view size will automatically adjust. For example, if I add a rectangle, which is this big, well, as you can see, the view will adjust automatically. So I'm not going to do that. I'll simply, delete this rectangle and this line too. And the text, though may look like it is just going outside, it is still associated with the view. Now let's explore the next option, which is replace model. Now the replace model option is on drawing command manager right here. And using this, you can replace the main part feature. Not only that, it will automatically replace all of its projected views and the information associated with that part in title block. As you can see right now in title block, the drawing number is M-01 and these are some of the properties associated with this part. Let's change it. Let's replace this part with something else. For that, I'll go to replace model and now select the view which you want to replace. I want to replace this primary view. So I'll select it. Now click on browse and locate the file which you want to replace. So I'll select open from this PC and I'll select this pipe bracket, which is still inside folder number 3.7. Click open and now simply click OK and done. So this is all replaced. Also, the information inside title block will be replaced accordingly. So I'll just refresh it. And here it is. Now everything has changed as per the new model that we've added. So that's the replace model option.